Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Sentry error tracking for React applications step by step clearly. To set up Sentry error tracking for your React application, first, open your terminal. Navigate to your React project directory. Next, install the Sentry SDK by running the command npm install at sentry/react at sentry/tracing. Once the installation is complete, open your main JavaScript file, typically index.js or app.js. At the top of this file, import Sentry by adding import asterisk as Sentry from at sentry/react. Now, import the tracing integration by adding import integrations from at sentry/tracing. Next, initialize Sentry by calling sentry.init. Within the init function, specify your Sentry DSN by adding the line DSN your _Sentry _DSN. Make sure to replace your _Sentry _DSN with your actual Sentry data source name. To enable performance monitoring, add a traces sample rate property and set it to a value between 0 and 1. This will determine the percentage of transactions to be captured. Next, wrap your application component with Sentry's error boundary. Find the component that renders your main application and change it to sentry.errorBoundary fallback equals fallback component /. Replace fallback component with your own fallback UI to display when an error occurs. After that, inside your error boundary, render your main application component. Now, to test if Sentry is working, you can force an error in your application. In a component, add a button that triggers an error when clicked. This could be done with const throw error throw new error, test error. Now, bind this function to the button's onClick event. Run your application using npm start. Open your browser and click the button to trigger the error. Switch to your Sentry dashboard to check if the error is logged correctly. If you see the error, congratulations, Sentry is successfully integrated into your React application. For further configurations and advanced features, refer to Sentry's official documentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.